Happy, happy. Yeah, no problem.
Baboy.
At saka niya
Pulutan
pinipili.
pa yung
Enjoying. Can I video the foods? Thank you. Good morning, everyone, and happy birthday. Okay, thank you. Beautiful ladies.
Sure, we are.
Keep young. These are the foods. These are the... Ay, may ano. Bakit nga eh? Ay, may ano. Meron siyang langaw. This is one. This is the nice preparation. Okay. Ayan. Kanta kayo ah. Let's go and sing a song. Ayan. That's it. Okay. Happy. Kinay. Dad ka sa nuti ko ah. Kasa nuti agi punch dito ay. Let's see. What shall we sing? Can you pinch the, ano? I'll try to sing the Bed of Roses. Bed of roses. Bed of roses. Where are you, bed of roses? Okay, just back, and here there is lots. Why? Bakit ba? Let's choose. Oh, my fingers, not yet. I am not yet. Bakit? What is wrong? Okay, now let's sing and try to sing later. Okay. So here, big is here. Coming here. Beautiful in your eyes. The Bed of Roses is 463. Okay. Kanta kayo ah. Kanta kayo. Ikaw. Kanta kayo. Apay ni Glow awan? Ikuan mga yung 463 dad. Yes, Bed of Roses. Try ko man. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching.